Hi everyone, this is Andy, and I'm here to show off my API project, which I made this trivia generator. So you click this Let's Go button, it just takes you lower down onto the page, and I've got just set up for a random quiz with 10 questions that I got from one of my APIs I had found. So I'm not gonna try to answer these correctly, but I'll show you what happens. If you do answer correct, it says correct. Um, but you go through, there's 10, like I said, just how I have it set up right now. I'll just kind of go fly through this. Um, and then it'll pop up. So I got 0 out of 10. And then click another quiz, just reloads the page. Now I will say that my original plan was to have more. I wanted to have the random quiz, and then when you click then another quiz, it would go to another section that had other, a themed quiz and so on and so forth, maybe do 3 or 4. But due to some issues I was having, I didn't get a chance to get to that. I had to simplify it a little bit. Which, speaking of, I'll start with the kind of embarrassing, week one type error here, where for too long I sat there scratching my head trying to figure out why none of my scripts would load. And I had just completely forgot to put in the assets. I know we literally learned that week one, but it just, didn't click, and spent a lot of time with that. Once I got through that, I actually had to figure out how to get the quiz to work because the API I have, while it's fantastic, I can pull it up here. It gives you a lot of options for generating the URL, but that's kind of it. It doesn't actually show you how to implement the quiz. So I spent a good amount of time on Stack Overflow and GitHub and looking at what other people had done with this API and kind of molding their solutions to work for me. And then I did have to do a few, CSS adjustments. I didn't do too much because I'll be honest, I liked the way like this orange came standard with the Bootstrap I was using, but I just really liked it. I thought it flowed with this background I picked out. And I did have to put some stuff for the spacing, just some simple changes there. I took a lot of the Bootstrap away. There were multiple other levels that these buttons would go down to. Like I said, I took those away, and I took there's a navigation bar at the top. I took it away just for, again, kind of because it's so simple like this. I liked having it just be the 2 buttons instead of having all the other things. It kind of seemed like a waste of space to just have it there. So if I ever come back to this and work on it more, then I'd probably put that navigation bar back and have that go to this separate quizzes. But yeah, it definitely humbled me some of the mistakes I made, but I think I'm pleased with what I came out with in the end. All right, thanks.